Hello students. In the previous videos, we talked about various celestial bodies like stars, moon, sun, planets including earth, etc. So today we are going to study about some very different celestial bodies which are called asteroids and meteoroids. Let us first talk about asteroids. Apart from the stars, planets, and satellites, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. Scientists are of the view that asteroids are part of a planet which exploded many years back. This picture shows these asteroids or or which look like rock particles. They are moving in an orbit around the sun in a fixed path. As scientists have assumed that asteroids are actually the parts of the planet which have exploded. So in this picture we can see that asteroids are basically huge rock particles of which maybe a planet was earlier made up of. Next, let's talk about meteoroids. The small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated up and burn. This causes a flash of light. As we can see in this picture, this is a meteoroid which may be passing through the earth or falling on the earth. And because it has heated and caused fire, it appears to be shining. These meteoroids are also called shooting stars. This is how the meteoroids actually catch fire. Okay, they are the pieces of rock which fall on Earth's atmosphere, and when they enter near the Earth, they actually catch fire. Sometimes a meteor, without being completely burnt, falls on the Earth and create a hollow. What happens is that most of the times, these meteoroids, when they fall on the earth, they catch fire, and before even touching the surface of the earth, they are completely burned out. But very few times, what happens is that these meteoroids do not burn completely and they fall on the surface of the earth, which causes hollows or holes on the surface of the earth. So, now moving on. Sometimes what happens is that we see a whitish broad band, like a white glowing path across the sky on a clear starry night. It is a cluster of millions of stars. This band is the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system, the solar system in which we live, is a part of this galaxy. Students, look at this picture. This is how a galaxy looks from the surface of the earth. This is here another example of the galaxy which can be seen from the surface of the earth. This cluster of stars, the whitish cluster of the stars, was imagined to be a river of light flowing in the sky. Thus, it was named Akash Ganga. Okay? Akash Ganga. So, now what is a galaxy? A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that make the universe. It is very difficult to imagine how big the universe is. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about its size, but we know that all of us You and I belong to this universe. Students, this is how a galaxy actually looks like. It consists of millions and billions of stars, planets, meteoroids, asteroids, sun, etc. And it is the millions of such galaxies which form the universe. So you can imagine how huge and how big the universe is. We can assume that we have not even discovered a huge portion of universe. We only know about our own solar system, the 8 planets, the moons, the sun, which is the nearest star to us. That's it. We have not even discovered, we are not even able to discover how big and how far our universe is stretched up to. The scientists are keeping up with their research work. So let's hope in coming future we are able to know about more parts of the universe. So with this, we have come to the end of this chapter. I hope you've understood the basic concepts this chapter has provided to you.